All right, we are back in Bonsall, and we have this extremely large Southern Pacific that we are letting go. And this is a big snake. I'm one hand in it. He let me know he is not at all happy. All right, bud. I'm gonna let you do your own thing. That is a big snake. He is letting me know that he is not happy, but he also is free. So he will figure that out pretty quickly. All right, dude. I'm gonna move my bucket. You are free. It's always cool to see him go back into nature. Yeah, this is the big one that I got from the horse barn. So, look at that thing. All right, amigo, you're on your own.